Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. So on this video here, I'm going to show you how to stake your OHM. Alright, so on the previous video, I showed you how to buy OHM using decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap, and how to use it with your MetaMask wallet. Alright, now the process of staking the OHM that you've got. Alright, you need to go to Olympus DAO.finance and click enter app, and here automatically gives us to connect our wallet to the website. Click next and connect, and now it's connected. As you can see, this is the dashboard. You can see the current price of OHM and the market cap and other details. So to stake, you need to go to stake here, and here where you get to stake. All right, but before staking, you first need to approve. As you can read in here, to approve, click approve, and they will give you this here to confirm a transaction. All right, then you click confirm, and then you get to stake the OHM that you have. All right, as in my case I don't have any, so I will just reject, but in your case click confirm, and then after that here it will appear an input place where you put in the amount that you want to stake of OHM that you have on your wallet, and this here will change to stake. All right, so here your balance would appear as the balance that you have on your wallet, and this here, the moment that you stake the OHM that you have, it will appear in here, and the next rewards that will be this interest rate for each time you get a reward, which is like 7 hours like that. So you'll be each 7 hours you'll be getting a reward rate of this much. Okay, and this is the return rate of 5 days. Okay, so that's how it's done. It's super easy, and then you get to check each time, you get to check the rewards that you got. And if you want to unstake it, you really need again to just get into here and approve and unstake again. So this is where I told you in the last video to have extra Ethereum so you can pay the fees. Okay, so as you can see, each time you need to stake or approve in the first time, for example, the first time you need to approve, but when you get to stake each time or unstake, you need to pay the gas fees. As this is the amount of the gas fees, it really changes, depends on the market and how's Ethereum doing. Okay, so you always need to have extra Ethereum that you are just keeping there to cover your gas fees. Okay, so this is it. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.